In a small, quiet village, nestled among the fields, lived a young boy named Wasi. Life was simple, yet challenging. Wasi's family was poor. One day, while exploring a nearby junkyard, Wasi looking the broken things here and there, suddenly he saw an old, broken bicycle. His eyes sparkled with an idea. Could this be the start of my windmill? He took bicycle with him. There was one problem. Wasi didn't know how to build a windmill. But where there is a will, there is a way. Determined, Wasi began walking miles each day to visit a nearby library. He borrowed books on wind energy and mechanics. Though the words were difficult to understand, he read them tirelessly, often staying up late into the night under the dim light of a kerosene lamp. At last, he understood what needed to be done. Wasi gathered every scrap he could find. Plastic bottles, metal rods, and wires. Anything that could help him build his dream. Day after day he worked, assembling the pieces with his small hands. His first attempts failed, but he didn't give up. Each failure was a lesson, bringing him closer to success. Finally, after weeks of effort, the moment came. The windmill spun in the breeze, and a small bulb in Wasi's home flickered to life. It wasn't much, but it was enough to light up their evenings. For the first time, Wasi's hard work had brought light to his home, literally. The villagers, who once doubted Wasi, now gathered around his creation, amazed by his ingenuity. Wasi's story spread through the village, inspiring others to dream big and never give up. He had proven that with determination and creativity, anything is possible.